my throne, let me light up my torch. Plus, I studied him, I got the source. Seeing me winning, they wishing I lost. Rapping real hard, y'all niggas a sort. Imitated by my character, my flow will embarrass you, What bitch rapping like me? Nada. Only double V's for the feet, no Prada. Out on top with no deal. Only signing for some meals. Eat up, make it real sloppy. Nigga, you know the drill. I been speeding through the fast lane, petty on the gas, man. Chicks big mad, cause I'm coming up fast. Hill on the neck, and I'm on applying pressure. Nigga in my DM typing up love letters. Hold up. Promise this and what you want. Nah. Flexing like my name is Flunk. Michael Jordan with the dunk. Yeah. Hit the scene, leave him sprung. When John make it, you know I'm whipping the beat. John is dreaming, he producing for me. No Buffy, but I'm slaying the scene. Assume the position, baby, get on your knees.
You know you about to go global, right? And who gonna stop you? Not a few.
What's good, Rose Gang? It's your girl Scarlett Rose, and I am back with another video. Guys, I'm super excited because I got some good news. But I can't wait to share with you guys. I can't release the information right now, but it's really good news and I am so excited about it. And I'm excited about this video. Number one, this is my first unboxing and I was gifted this bag by my best friend and I'm so excited. She is just the worst surprise ever. So she sent me this website of Brandon Blackwood and she was like, which bag do you like? And I automatically knew because my birthday was on September 6th, so I automatically knew she was gifting me with something. So she let me pick out the purse, which is really nice because I got the color that I wanted. You know, I had to represent for Rose Gang, of course, and I'm excited. But before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you, best friend. I love you so much. I am so blessed to have you in my life and to be on this journey with me and to keep me going and giving me that sister pep talk when I need it and loving on me and being genuinely a good person in my corner. Like, I love you, Asia. I love you so much and thank you. Like, I love it. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna sit this box back down real quick because I want to tell you guys about my lash line. I have a lash line called Rose Lashes. We cater to all types of women from natural to diva, straight diva, and we're doing a Virgo Nation 30% off sale. The sale started August 22nd and it ends September 22nd. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave my website up here and I'm also gonna leave a link down there so you can shop with your girl if you find any lashes that you like to your liking. So make sure you check my store out, girl. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out, and shop with your girls. So all you would do would type in the code Virgo and that would take 30% off of any lash that you want or multiple lashes that you want. So yeah, without further ado, let's finally get into this video. But wait. I've been getting a whole lot of new subscribers and I just gotta check in with y'all like, hi girl, hi guys, hey, welcome to Rose Gang. Oh my god, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you stop what you're doing right now, sis, or guys, right now, and hit the like button and click subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification thing so when that ding go off when I post, we could be right here, girl. We could be right here. But definitely when you guys comment on my channel or hit the like button and subscribe, it helps the algorithm and it helps YouTube push my channel out there more. So you guys, if y'all want to keep seeing me and helping me build, I would love for you guys to definitely do that on every video. I love you guys and welcome to Rose Gang, baby. Without further ado, let's get into the boxing, sis. Oh my, it's the details for me. So let's get into this bag, sis. The brand name is Brandon Blackwood. He is a black business owner from New York City, my city, girl. All of his bags are dope and have their own look and style, and I'm just like, oh my god, like I am happy to see like a black designer going up like this. You know, it's just really nice and amazing to me to be a witness of this. And his bags are dope, sis. Like, I'm gonna leave a little picture of his website right here. Like, you need to go check him out, and I'm also gonna leave his link in the description. So if you don't know about Brandon Blackwood, sis, girl, what is you doing? So let's start unboxing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the outside of the box, which is pretty cool. If you can see, I probably got some makeup on it, but yeah. Okay, this is it. This is it. So when you open it, okay, it's the boxing for me. Look at it. So it says Brandon Blackwood, Brandon Blackwood. That is so cute. And we get a little card, okay. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece, and I can't wait to see how you style it. And it's so cute. Look at it. Look at it. It's giving, definitely giving, there we go. It's definitely giving luxury vibes. Okay. Okay. It's cute. So they also sent a little duster bag with the labeling on it, Brandon Blackwood, and he also have his logo in the inside too. First of all, it's the boxing for me. Like, I like it. It's a little simple duster with the drawstring. Okay, so then you open it and it's wrapped up in a little bag. So, and then it also had like a label sticker with his label on it as well. That's dope. It's the packaging for me, because I'm big on packaging. Oh my god, so look at her. She's cute. Oh my god, she's real cute. You know I had to do it for Rose Gang. I told y'all I had to do it for Rose Gang. She is cute. So this bag is called the Koi Red Croc Bag. I'm going to leave a picture right here with the bag. So if you guys want to shop this bag, you definitely can. Okay, let's get into the detail. I like the fact that she has little legs at the bottom, so when you go out, you don't have to like sit your back. I'm definitely a fan of that. I like the little zipper part here. I'm not gonna pop that off yet, but I could take this part off. Yes. Let's see what's inside of here. So I'm going to keep this because I'm going to keep her stuffed until I slay her. I'm so excited to dress this little piece up. Okay, so she's kind of teeny. Let's see what we got. Okay. So we got a little mini little pocket in here. I know y'all can't see it, but this is the space that we have in here. And I'm usually like, I'm changing because I literally was like a big bag girl. And now that, I guess with age, I'm becoming to be like a little bag girl because it's just so cute. Like, I like the snake skin material, the shiny candy apple. Like, you guys know that I love roses, red roses, of course. But I like how she's red and shiny, and then she has like the snake skin detail. Like, sis is just sitting. I'm gonna definitely have to get me some ruby red from the MAC store, the lipstick ruby red. And she also comes with a holder. So this is a cross bag, shoulder bag, however you wanna wear her. You can actually, okay, let's hook this up real quick. You can actually cross her, or if you just wanna, hold up guys. Here go my neighbors with this music, Rose Gang. They just don't let me be great. They just don't let me be great. So this you can wear as a cross bag, or if you just want to have her sitting like this, like you could definitely wear it like that. I don't know which style. I have to pick out a fit, but when I do get the fit, I will definitely do a get ready with me 3-in-1, so you guys can get dressed with me, do my makeup with me, curl my wig with me, all in one, so you can see how I style this bag. Overall, I give this bag a 10. It's the red for me. It's the red color for me. It's the packaging to me. Any business owners, packaging is everything. Like, packaging, you impress your customers like that. So it was the packaging for me, and then it's the apple candy snake skin colored bag for me. Like, I love it. I advise all of you guys to take a look at his website. And girl, get you some bags galore for this fall and winter. Like, it's lit. Look at her. She is cute. Thank you so much, best friend, for this bag. She is so cute, and she is sitting, sis. Oh my god, you know I'm going to slay this. Like, Rose Gang, y'all already know. But this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. What am I forgetting? Don't forget to watch my newest video, Rose Drill official music video. The song is streaming on all platforms around the world. Tidal, Apple Music, wherever you want to go, just type in Scarlett Rose Drill. You're gonna see a ton of music by me, but check me out, girl, and run them numbers up on that new video, sis. Run it up, because that video is giving everything that it was supposed to give. Thank you so much, Rose Gang, for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.